there's what we call social media literacy. Not everybody understands it. Before we started the live streaming, I told him something. I said, I said, hey, Gray, a lot of people think that I hate you. I have told them I don't hate you. A lot of people think that you hate me. I've told them that there's no reason for you to hate me. If it doesn't matter what you say in your video, it doesn't matter how negative it appears like, you are creating content. That's your type of content. I am not angry in any way. So I clarified that. Then I went further to say, I said, Gray, is your account monetized? That's the first thing I'm asking him. He kept quiet. I said, no. Before we continue, let me know. Your account is monetized, right? He played around. He said, yes, said no. And I said, okay, guys, his account is monetized. I am a very controversial person. I say things that a normal human being will not talk about. No, my account is not monetized. So anybody that posts my face or my video and their account is monetized, they will get a lot of views, a lot of comments, a lot of likes, and that's equal to money. So, and I said to him, I said, it is the same reason Today Ed not stop posting me, because he was posting me every week. Every week. So, and I made a video about Today Ed not, and I said, it's not like I'm not thanking him, but when you guys are pressuring me to say I should keep thanking him every day, I said, he's making money from the videos now that he's posting. So, when people started knowing about monetization in Nigeria, the first thing they started doing is that they started telling people to stop posting them so that the people will not be making money. So a lot of people dragged Today Ed not to stop posting, a lot of content creators, so that because he's the one making the money, they are not making money. So when I made that video, Today Ed not would have thought that I would drag him too. I'm not doing what I'm doing for money, so I wasn't going to drag him. So he stopped posting me. So now that I've told Gray face to face that your account is monetized, in fact, I told him in that live, I said, Gray, you will send me money. After this live, I'm going to chat you up. You will send me money. I DM'd him. He did not reply. I DM'd him. He not finally replied. And I said, Alpha, send me your number. Let's talk on phone. He didn't send me his number. He told me he's busy. Which kind? Are you high? Number one, you go type. You say you are busy. So I just knew that. Yeah, I know now. Now it make many people know me. You never complete them.
You have to be there.
No, complete them now. What did Raymond never do for? Now you don't talk. Now you don't complete. So now why not they post me again? Because I tell and say make him give me money. So no, you know they talk about me again. For that live stream, I tell and say make give me money. And another thing what can happen be say after I don't talk say your account they monetize. So, see, listen to what I want to talk now. I know so you play well, but listen. Most people, when they point finger like this, you decrease. If you use only one finger to tell them say you decrease, they will die. So, when I can't do that, cut that section of the video, when I thought say, your account is monetized, you are making money, I don't hate you. So, people come, they comment, say, table don't turn, no, table don't turn, no. Waiting Gray never do for this morning. Waiting Gray. So now in the con they talk say, so now you they do these things for this morning. He can't come the comment section. Content they say no, saying I can't not. He can't they try like come out himself for the equation. So he said now for the love of the game. So but people can't they turn them against them. He not can fit stand them. But meanwhile when you do video about me, when people they talk negative, it doesn't affect me. So now the issue be that. So as the thing can't turn against them, he can just stay away from my videos. Yeah.